guys messed up. I own both your channels.
So we have a late night visit today, and I am joined with Dylan.
Hey, how's it going?
From Theme Park Obsession, of course. I saw Chewie Mode. I saw his video on Chewie Mode. I had to come.
So much fun.
I had to come see Chewie Mode for myself. So that's definitely top of my list for today. I'm excited to have you guys along for the journey with me. Let's go check out a fun day at Disneyland. So right now we're heading into Adventureland, where we're kind of going to start our day off with a little bit of food. We're going to Bengal Barbecue. It's always nice when I can try something different here. So this will definitely be a different plate and food option to try today. And check out the skewers cooking, guys. I'm so excited to try this one. Oh boy. So this is mine right here. I have a pork belly skewer here and a beef skewer. That's sweet and spicy beef skewer here. Dylan.
I got the chicken and the beef, and the chicken's like more on the sweet side, and then the beef is like the spicy. Wow. I'm such a fan of spicy food, so I figure like, why not try it, you know? Like 14.15 after the pass discount. Yeah. So do get an annual pass holder discount here.
I'm gonna go for the beef one first. It is hot and spicy. It's not bad.
This is spicy.
It is I like the flavor. It has pretty good flavor. I don't mind the flavor at all. So Dylan's trying the chicken now.
Decent bite. Here we go.
There you go.
Yeah, you too. Oh.
Good?
It's good because it's like sweet, you know?
Uh-huh.
And both these work together because you got the sweet, and then you got the spicy. And I think this is honestly well worth the money versus just getting the skewer by itself, because the skewers by itself are kind of like a little pricey, but if you get this like Bengal plate, it's so good.
So I'm gonna go for a bite of the pork now.
What do you think?
It's actually really good.
I mean, Bengal Barbecue is like one of those like hidden gems.
It really is. I'm honestly, I'm surprised how many times I've been here, how many times I've just never like decided to just stop in and try it. That was like a really good rib. Like I had like a really good like rib place. That's like what that tasted like. I'm really impressed. It's a hidden gem, like you said, it really is. So dinner was a success. I'm actually gonna give Bengal Barbecue probably about, I think we give about an 8 out of 10. What about you, Dylan? What do you think?
Yeah, like 8 out of 10 is really good. Like it's, if anything, the portion size could be a tiny bit bigger.
That's true.
To be honest, but it's great.
For what it was, and like, you know, just a kind of a walk up, grab your skewer and kind of go.
Yeah.
Very good. But right now, guys, we're gonna head into Tomorrowland, and we're going to ride Space Mountain.
Space
That's the
Mountain!
first ride of today. So, you ready?
Dude, I'm ready to go through outer space right now. We're gonna fly up so fast. I don't know how we're gonna breathe though. It's probably the magic.
It's definitely the magic. It has to be the magic.
The Disney magic.
We just got done riding Space Mountain. An amazing picture of Dylan. I'm gonna throw over the video for you guys
ridiculous.
right now.
I'm such a dork. Like, I love it. I have such a great time here.
we had a good time on that ride for sure, but now, guys, we're going to Galaxy's Edge, where it is finally time to try to activate Chewie Mode.
We're gonna try.
I feel like this is almost the main event of the night for me, at least, because I've been so excited by this. Let's go see what Chewie Mode looks like at Galaxy's Edge. Let's do it, guys. Here we go. So the real question becomes, how many attempts will this take? Hopefully it won't take.
Hopefully one. But you never know.
We're hoping it'll be just one attempt. That's how many attempts do you think like some people have really tried to do this? Like a lot?
Oh, probably like 3 or 4 easily.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll see, guys. It's gonna be luck. Welcome, my friends. There's Hondo Ohnaka.
When you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical.
This is Chewie Mode discussions and strategy that you're hearing.
Then activate.
A gunner.
You're a gunner, hold on.
This is an intense process if you guys haven't figured that out. We are in the Millenium Falcon and we have the purple credential. I'm pretty nervous too, to be honest.
Because if we don't get this, we're gonna have to ride it like 50 times. Hold down button.
You will be intercepting a food. You guys are the ones who messed it up.
No, we're not gonna mess it up. I'm not gonna mess it up.
You guys messed it up. I own both your channels.
Just like change it completely.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Okay, now everybody buckle up. Pilots, tug on your yellow tab. Pilots, tug on your yellow tab. Gunners and engineers. All right, good luck.
Hurry now. Time is money.
No! Wait, hold on. Did you imagine if the ride went down right now?
Hit your flash
flashing button.
Oh, wait, I don't think we did it.
Better be faster when we get
Oh, how did we do?
the flashing button.
Take one was no good.
Force forward.
Dang it!
Well done, sir.
Wait, let's just get it down to 0%. Yeah, let's
0%, zero.
Chewie Mode is a lot harder than you think.
Chewie Mode actually is pretty hard. I thought I did it right.
Pilot brakes.
Now go faster!
Yes, you got one.
We didn't want to get one.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in.
What happened?
We don't know.
Chewie didn't show up.
You guys were too slow, that's what it was.
Oh, Chewie Mode turned into the worst Smugglers Run flight of all time. That was our goal on that one. So,
Yeah.
round two? Can we do round two? What's gonna happen? Hopefully. We were looking for you. We tried to. Yeah, you were. Oh, it's okay, Chewie. Shame. Chewie's in shame. Oh my God. It's okay, Chewie.
You know why you don't think about it?
Terrible.
I feel awful. Oh my God.
The speed at which you have to activate Chewie Mode is so fast. I think this is gonna turn into like a small kind of like hidden gem almost. It's that hard. If you guys do come here and attempt this, don't forget you need to be nice to the cast members.
Yeah, I mean, like, they're seeing thousands of people a day, so if you don't get Chewie Mode, it's not a big deal. Just jump back in line and do it again. The cast members have a safety procedure they need to go through while they're doing this, so just please be aware. Yeah, because it's one of these things, like, it went viral, and there's a lot of people that are going to try to do this, and it's a blast, it's a ton of fun, but yeah, just to remember that the cast members are there to also do their job. But yeah, I mean, I can't believe we failed though. Dude?
Wow. Shut up. No.
God, I love the cantina. This place is so amazing. So I made the decision I'm gonna go with the outer rim. Kind of like a margarita almost. And this is actually what Dylan is gonna be getting as well. So here is the outer rim. Do we cheers on that one, Dylan? It is very margarita-like for sure. Oh yeah. That's good, I like that. So I think it's safe to say that I enjoyed this one. Pretty much gone completely.
Got this drink the first time I came here, and I get it like every single time. It's so good.
We've got our drinks in. Now it's time to fly. That's a joke. I'll give it to Officially time for round two. Now the real question becomes, do drinks make it easier to activate Chewie Mode?
Yes, yes.
We're feeling a little looser. We're not going to be as stressed out. It's going to be easy going on this one. Just go in there, hit our buttons, and, you know, hope for the best. We have to do round two might be the last round, so we do have to do this on this one. On this run, we have blue credentials on this one.
Let's just be super fast about it.
Repair test.
How did we do it? How did we miss it?
Missed it.
Really?
Yeah.
You better be faster.
How?
Push the flashing button.
It's up there.
Fly right.
Round two was a fail again, but maybe not really.
I can't believe this.
Another failed attempt. I don't understand. This one's tough. Chewie's back again after this the second time. 2 times. I haven't been able to get you to help us on here. It's too tough. We take a second to appreciate the transition from Galaxy's Edge back in to Disneyland. It's an incredible transition, and the music is just amazing. Take a listen. How beautiful is that? So I think we're ending the day today with an Indiana Jones ride. So even though we didn't get Chewie Mode, you can never go wrong with Indiana Jones. It's pretty amazing, actually. Oh, and this one? No. There you go. This is the most incredible day at Disneyland. I have to come with Dylan more.
There. That wasn't so bad. Was it?
Yes, it was! It was horrible!
That was 5-star driving right there. That's what that was.
Someone actually appreciates my driving.
Someone.
You hit the gas at just the right time.
Just like Vin Diesel.
I think that was a supercharged shot. And you it was.
I learned from the best.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our day today at Disneyland. We didn't unfortunately get Chewie Mode, but
It's not easy. And you know what? Even if you don't get it, you still have a great time.
we had a blast. The ride's an amazing attraction regardless. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Definitely don't forget to go check out Dylan at the Theme Park Obsession. If you guys haven't checked him out already, I'll have the link down in the description below. But for now, guys, take care. Have a great day or a great night, whatever time it is for you. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Take care.